Hey everyone, Chris over here at AceVacuums, your one-stop shop for all of your cleaning needs. Today we want to talk about all the vacuum repairs and warranty work that we do in Burke, Virginia. We get a lot of calls from customers calling in asking, do we do vacuum repair? What type of vacuums do we repair? Do we do sales, servicing in Burke, Virginia? The answer to those questions is yes. We are a quick 10-minute drive up from the Burke Town Center. We have convenient, easy parking. We're open 7 days a week. And we do vacuum repairs, sales and service every day of the week. So if you're in need of a vacuum repair because you have loss of suction or no suction, if the vacuum's not turning on, if the battery's not holding a charge, if you need service work done, or if you need bag replacements, we do all that type of stuff here at our location. It's pretty simple and easy process. We do offer same-day repairs, so if you're in a tight spot and you need your vacuum back really quick, just let us know when you come in that you're looking for a same-day repair. That way we can get the technician to get on it right away. Sometimes we can pretty much do all those same-day repairs. Now there is some instances, like if the vacuum's kind of old or if we need to order the parts, it would take 1 to 2 days to come in. Typically how it works is when you bring your vacuum in, we give you a repair ticket, we'll look it over, kind of give you a brief diagnosis of what we can find wrong with it. Once the technician looks at it, gives us the complete estimate, we'll call you with that estimate. If you approve, we'll get all the work done, get the parts ordered, and then as soon as everything's ready for pickup, we'll give you a buzz. The warranty process is about the same, except we just need your proof of purchase or receipt of purchase and some of your basic information, so that way we can send that off to the manufacturer. That way we can get all the parts, and then when it's ready for pickup, we'll give you a call and let you know when it's ready for pickup. We do offer repairs, we offer trade-ins, we do sales. If you just want to have your vacuum serviced and maintenance and there's nothing wrong with it, that's a very good thing to do, and we do the maintenance and preventative maintenance and filter replacements for all vacuum types. So if you're in need of a vacuum repair and you're in Burke, Virginia, look no further. We have everything you need here at AceVacuums. Our phone number is 703-997-9292. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, as well as follow us on YouTube to stay up to date with all the new things we got coming out and all the new stuff that we're doing. So if you have any questions, give us a holler, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And Burke, if you guys need some repairs for your vacuums, come see us here at AceVacuums. Thank you.